Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is in continuation with our previous lecture, that is adulteration in crude drugs. In our last lecture, we have covered the definition of adulteration and adulterant. That is, adulteration is the debasement of an article. It is not required because adulteration will result in the compromised quality of the crude drug, because the drug become unpure or impure due to the presence of adulterant. Then we have discussed in detail the significance of detecting adulteration in crude drugs, that why it is important to study the adulteration. We have completed this topic in detail. Now in today's lecture we will find out the reasons why adulteration in crude drugs has been taken place. So there may be some deliberated and some accidental reasons of adulteration. The first one is the required genuine drug is expensive, and the second one is to increase the profit margin. The drug is not expensive, but the manufacturer of the crude drug want to increase the margin of their business, and so they used to adulterate the drug to increase the profit margin. Another reason is that supply or availability of the crude drug is lesser than the demand. So to fulfill the demand, some people start to adulterate the material. These are the deliberate reasons. And there are some accidental reasons also, that is lack of knowledge of authentic source. People don't know the source of the drug, so that's why they collect the wrong drug by mistake. Then another reason is confusion in the vernacular names. Sometimes you have seen that vernacular name are same, or for example, black cumin seed is for Nigella sativa, while Cuminum nigrum is for black cumin, isn't it? One is for Kalonji and one is for Kala Zira. Black cumin seed is for Kalonji and Cuminum nigrum is Kala Zira, black cumin. So one may be confused in collection the required drug. Then another reason is the similarity in plant morphology. Sometimes the plant part, especially leaf, they are similar in morphology, so they have been collected by mistake. And other reason is the unscientific preparation of the crude drugs. Sometimes crude drugs during cultivation, and they are dealt in unscientific manner. No pharmacovigilance has been taken place, so that's why the drug become adulterated. Now the fourth one is, the fourth main heading is the condition or type of the adulteration of crude drug. There are 6 main types: inferiority, spoilage, admixture, substitution, sophistication, and deterioration. You have to cover all these types one by one in detail and should know the difference between these, among these different conditions. The first one is inferiority. So we're going to define it. What is its definition? It is a natural substandard condition. Natural substandard condition. For example, a medicinal plant or herb is harvested at a stage where its desired natural phytochemical constituent are below the minimum standard. Got it? The plant is harvested before the required stage of the development. Then the collected species will be inferior in quality. For example, dried ripe seed of Nux vomica, Strychnos nux vomica. You have covered this drug in your lab. So it must contain 1.15% strychnine as a major phytochemical constituent. Okay, but if the seed contains less than 1.15% strychnine, then it would be considered as inferior substandard drug. So it mainly depend upon the time of harvesting the drug material, because you know that phytochemical constituent varies with the stage of development. It is not necessary that the required phytochemical constituent should be same in all stages. So you have to collect the drug at the right time. For example, in case of Nux vomica, you have to collect at the time when the constituent of strychnine is 1.15%, at least 1.15%. If you going to collect it before this mentioned time period, when the required constituent of strychnine is lesser, then the drug will be inferior. Now how can we avoid it? It can be avoided by careful collection of the plants at the proper stage of development. Okay, we know it by the with the help of researchers that what is the main peak time of the collection of each and every crude drug, depending upon the quantity of the desired phytochemical constituent in it. Now the second condition is spoilage. What is spoilage? Spoilage is a substandard condition produced by microbial or other infestation, attack of rodents, etc., which make the drug unfit for consumption. Okay, the first one, the inferiority, you have seen that it is a natural substandard condition in which the natural phytochemical constituent is below the minimum standard. Okay, due to the improper time of collection. But in case of spoilage, what is happening? Attack of microbe or other attack of rodent take place, which make the drug unuseful or unfit for consumption. You can see it with the help of the picture that the drug has been attacked by some infestant or by some microbe and it become spoiled. This is known as spoilage. This type of drug cannot be, this type of plant cannot be used as a drug. We cannot take it for the preparation of crude drug. This is known as spoilage, which is the second type of the crude drug adulteration. Now question arises that how the drug is spoiled. So the reason behind it that crude drug are spoiled due to the improper and unscientific preparation, especially cultivation, drying and storage of crude drug. If drug is not properly dried, then what happens? Moisture is left behind. So in the presence of moisture, there is a very suitable environment for the growth of the microbe. Moreover, if the drug is not stored properly in the godowns, then what happens? The attack of rodent take place. So that's why in this way drug may become spoiled. When how can we avoid it? It can be avoided by following good agricultural practices as well as good keeping practices of crude drug. The third one is admixture. In admixture is the addition of an article to another through accident, ignorance and carelessness. As you can see, there is no deliberate mixing, but another article is mixed in the required drug through ignorance and carelessness. If you talk about it example, it include inclusion of soil on an underground crude drug. Whenever you are going to collect the underground crude drug especially, then soil particle become attached with the drug and it becomes a part of the drug. This is known as admixture. Apart from this example, another one is the co-collection of two similar species. So that's why drug can be mixed with each other by ignorance. It can be avoided by proper collection of medicinal plant or herb. Now the fourth one is sophistication. Sophistication is actually the deliberate addition of spurious or inferior material with intent to fraud. Such materials are carefully produced and may appear at the first sight to be the genuine. Okay, this is the deliberate kind of adulteration or milawat in which the drug is prepared to intend the fraudulent activity. We can understand it with the help of some examples. That is, the first one is powdered ginger may be diluted with starch with the addition of little coloring matter to give the correct shade of yellow color. Powdered ginger, it diluted with starch because starch is inexpensive. They used to mix it, and to give a similar appearance, they used to mix some yellow color in it, and at the first sight it looks like a genuine ginger. So in this way they increase the profit margin. The second example is limestone or earthy matter is added in asafoetida. Asafoetida is actually the hing. How can we detect it? It is detected by dissolving asafoetida in water. Adulterant will be settled down in the bottom. Another example is lead shot is mixed in opium. Similarly, mentyl yellow is a carcinogenic compound which is added in turmeric powder. Turmeric, curcuma longa. In curcuma longa, mentyl yellow is added to give the color shine and color. It can be detected by dissolving half a spoon of turmeric powder in lukewarm water, followed by addition of few drops of HCl. The aqueous solution will turn pink, violet or purple, indicating the presence of mentyl yellow in turmeric powder. You can see it, this is the pure turmeric powder and this is mentyl yellow. It is mixed in the turmeric powder to increase the bulk. Another example is rodent fecal material is added in cardamom seed, and cumin seed are mixed with grass seed colored with charcoal dust. So grass seed and cumin seed are look alike, so these are mixed all together by rubbing the by coloring the grass seed with the charcoal dust. It can be identified by rubbing cumin seed on hands. If black color appear, then the cumin is adulterated with the grass seed. So student, we have covered 4 conditions, that is inferiority, spoilage, admixture and sophistication in our class. Now the substitution and deterioration of the crude drug are left behind, which will be covered in our next lecture. Thank you.